In this short tutorial, I will show you how to get the back button on your Samsung device's screen. Samsung devices usually have a navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, which includes the back button. However, sometimes this navigation bar may be hidden or disabled by default, making it necessary to enable it manually. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Display. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap Navigation Bar. Now, under Navigation Type, if you have selected Swipe Gestures, it will get rid of the back button and other buttons. So to get back the back button on your Samsung device's screen, simply tap and select the buttons option. As you can see, now, I have Home, Back, and App Overview buttons on my screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.